Hello, trying to remove an automatic transmission out of a E46 sedan 330i. It's a ZF. It doesn't really matter which gearbox you have, ZF or the GM. These top bolts can be very tight, especially that far right one, the one I'm pointing at, is really difficult to get to. It's very hard to put a socket on it. It's an E14. So what I did was I loosened the motor mounts, both sides. I put the jack on the body of the car and on the transmission. Pushed the transmission slightly to the left. Not much, just maybe an inch or so. And that gave me a clear view of the bolt, and I was able to place the socket on it firmly so I can take it out. Without it, it's really difficult to get it out. I tried, but I was working on it for about an hour and it wasn't coming out. It's really tight and it's pretty impossible to slide the E14 on it. Hopefully this helps. Thank you. The rest come out more or less easily. They're accessible. That's the only one that is the problematic one. Thank you.